Today we're going to talk about tuna. Here I have some beautiful ahi tuna that we sell either as frozen steaks or we sell it thawed in the market. Thursdays we get in lovely fresh bluefin tuna. It's a real treat if you're in the market for tuna. Come by on Thursdays most weeks. Other sashimi grade fishes we also have beautiful sashimi grade salmon, and we also have sashimi grade scallops. So all your raw fish needs are covered in one place. Today we're going to take our lovely tuna and we're going to do it two ways. We're going to do one of our Pelican blackening spices, and the other one is we have the lemon pepper seasoning that I've just kind of umped up with a little sesame seed to go along with the final preparation. So I got Grandma's old frying pan here getting nice and hot on my dining room burner. We want this pan as hot as we can get it for this application, because basically with the tuna, we don't want to cook the tuna, we just kind of want to sear the outside of it, build up a nice crust, because crust equals flavor. But we want the inside to stay cold. This is like a raw product. It's almost like a beef carpaccio, but instead of beef, where you have some tuna. So again, proteins, always want them dry. Whenever you're going to sear something, be it your steak, chicken on the barbecue, dry protein, hot pan equals nice crust. So you'll see I leave them on claws, I pat them with claws. I want that protein nice and dry. We're going to season our steak. So again, we have the lemon pepper seasoning that I enriched with some sesame seeds. And you want to kind of like pack it in there, both sides, top and bottom. I'm not worried about the sides, just the top and bottom, getting enough in there. Flip it around a few times. And then likewise the blackening spice. Get a lot on there. Spread it around, flip it over, pick it all up off the plate. Okay, that's some nice crusted tuna loin. All right, I think Grandma's getting hot here. She's nice and smoky. Bit of oil, again, an oil that takes the heat well. Not olive oil today. So, put the thick guy in first. Be careful, because it's gonna spatter. And you want those to nice sear on. Let's get that nice and hot. Again, it doesn't take long. Oh, the smells. If only we had smell-o-vision. Look at that nice crust on there. And likewise, another count to 10, maybe 15. You want this red line to see that nice red line on there. We want to keep it nice and red in the middle. We're going to take them off. Again, we'll pat it dry. And we'll remember to turn the pan off. That's it. That is searing tuna loin. Pull up my best friend, one of my Japanese knives, because we need a nice sharp knife here to cut this. So I have a little bed of greens, some tomato, a little balsamic vinaigrette on there, and just a little blackened tuna. So look at that. You see how it's just barely cooked? Little ring of color around the outside, but basically we've seasoned it. We've toasted the spices. And we're just gonna plate her up right on the salad. And that guy right there. Oops. And then, so niçoise salad, you add a poached egg on there, some green beans, beautiful thing in the summer months. So our Asian flavors here, again, we're gonna slice this one a little bit thinner because, let me turn it around and we'll get a nice. So let the knife do the work. Slow motions, even slices, just like so. Keep your fingers out of the way. She might be my friend, but she bites me sometimes. Okay, and then we're just gonna lay this out on a nice plate here. Because you eat with your eyes first, so you always want things to look beautiful. Nobody wants to eat something that doesn't look good. Okay, here we have a little house-made kind of Asian sauce. It's a little Korean chili flakes, some soy sauce. Just a little drizzle over top of it, get it nice and shiny and saucy, bit of spice, a bit of green onion. Now, one of the nice things about Pelican Seafood Market and Grill is you don't only come here for your seafood. We sell a long line of accompanying ingredients, wasabi paste, sushi rice, soy sauce, you name it, we sell it here. For those who want a little spice, we'll add a little bit of wasabi paste around the plate, and that's going to be a fair amount of wasabi, but we like things spicy. Pelican Seafood Market Grill, we got everything you need for dinner.